care. Feel the breeze, it's lifting us high. We're chasing the waves, touching the sky. Together we rise, no looking back. This summer vibe is on the right track. Summer vibes, we're feeling the heat. Dancing all night to the ocean beat. Under the stars, we're never alone. This is our time, the summer unknown. Oh, summer vibe. We're feeling alive, alive summer vibes. The sun gets low, but we're still here. At night is young, the stars are near. Every moment so wild and free. This is the life it's meant to be. Feel the warmth of the night, we're glowing bright, hearts so light. Every breath, every smile. In this moment we go wild. Summer vibes, we're feeling the heat. Dancing all night to the ocean beat.
Sleep apart, share the heart. This is bonding. So, who wants to sleep well? Maybe, probably, everyone wants to sleep well, including mother with their newborn children. To improve their sleep quality and become healthier and happier mothers, many parents choose to sleep separately from their baby. But that does not mean they don't want to take care of their children. They'll be right there if their baby wants them. So let's take a look about co-sleeping too. According to Stanford University study, mothers' boys can enhance their language skill and calm their babies.